What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. In this tutorial, I will explain you how you can use third-party libraries in Python. So let's begin.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
So here I have created the data.csv file. I want to find the mean of these values. So how can I find this? If I put the file name here, it will take the file as a string, but I want to convert this as float. How can I do that? I have to write a long line of code to do so, but there are some guys who have created the library for this. So we will import that library to convert this text into float. So let's begin. First of all, in your command prompt, type pip. Pip is a pre-installed library in Python which is used to install the third-party libraries modules. Then pip type install, then we will use pandas. I will make a separate video on this panda in the future lectures, so stay tuned with this list. Then press enter, then it will start downloading. Wait for some time. Okay guys, so our pandas library has been installed. So now here you can see that it is a built-in library. Here is a standard library, and now we are using a third-party library. Import pandas. Here you can see it has been shown pandas. Then put your file name here, data.csv. Then data. So we will create a variable equals to pandas dot read dot underscore csv. Then put a parenthesis. In parenthesis put your file name date dot csv. Then simply print underscore data dot, we want to print the mean of this value. Simply put mean and save this. Let me clear this out first. And if we try to run our program, hope it will run fine. File does not exist. Okay, why it is showing that? Okay guys, sorry, we have put it the file, we have not put it the file name here. Data.csv. Now save it. Now let's check whether it run or not. Okay, here you can see the mean of this dt1 and dt2. You can check the mean of any one value also. Simply put a square bracket, then value dt1. Let's say we want to check the value of this dt1. Save it. We clear this out. input.py. You can see the mean of this 2468 is 3.7. You can also do this with dd2. So that's all for this tutorial, but in future I will cover a long video on this panda library, so stay tuned till end of this playlist. So thank you. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the below comment box. So thank you and meet you in the next tutorial.